kanina I mentioned that it was an emotional visit because the guard told me that he was waiting all day for us yesterday, and of course I felt really guilty. I mean, yes, it was an honest miscommunication and just the lack of organization with the arrangements namin sa DU, but he understood naman, and he said it's okay, this will not last forever, and I am okay, do not worry about me. So ayun, there has been a lot of miscommunication lang lately, but ayun, naayos na namin ngayon. That's why I was able to visit, and kagaya, nakita nila kanina na late na naman ang konti. So well, I had to explain to him also that my classes was until almost 7 a.m. this morning, so I slept at 7 a.m., woke up at 12 p.m. and then I had to rush here.
Good naman na inaalaw kayo na online, no?
For now, it's online talaga because of the situation in
The rain, no?
Philippines, you know.
Yeah. The rain and flooding. Lalo na Taft Avenue. Oh.
Well, bahala na sila. I won't talk about it. But ayun, all I can say that he's good. He's healthy and thankful and happy that he has family who loves him. And ayun, sabi ko, see, you are so blessed with children and grandchildren like this. Kasi tingnan mo ngayon na matanda ka na ganito. Well, kasi it really does speak on his character as a father. Kaya kahit ang tanda niya na kaming lahat will drop anything and everything to be here with him.
Okay.
He was happy to do that.
Yes.
So
Health-wise,
Tatay
okay?
Digong is okay. I was worried, of course, but he looked okay. Hindi siya mukhang stressed. Parati siyang tulog, and ayun, kumakain naman as what I've heard from the prison guards.
Shout out us Reaction Vlog, YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Mabuhay kayo.
Hawan ako. Sure. 5 minutes na lang. Kasi bawal din naman tayo
Then
magtagal.
line up for PM.
Nandyan yung ating phone na naiwan.
Dito.
Ayan.
Adala na lang ka?
Oo. Sige, briefly lang kung
Yes.
si tatay. Dahil hindi naman pwede pag-usapan yung pinag-usapan.
Yes, yun nga.
So,
It was okay, but it was a more emotional visit today, no? Since it's just the two of us now. I informed him of yung balita na all of my siblings are back home, because of course they have to prioritize their jobs, and of course he understands because again we have to prioritize the country and the people and how they serve. So he was very understanding with it, and it went well. Ayun, madaming chikahan sa about family matters, and then to the point na sinabi niya na ang dami ng alam nung nakikinig dito. Ayun, tumawa lang ako. It was light. It was magaan naman talaga siyang kausap. So it was light, but it was also very emotional because I'm only gonna be here for another 2 weeks before I go back and continue with my education, with work, and with the other personal matters that I have to attend to. So he understood that also. And then I told him, he told me kasi na it's okay if you are lonely, you just go home to your mama Hanilat and to Mira. But then I told him na, don't worry about me, I'm okay, my home is wherever you are. So, ayun, he smiled, he was happy to hear that. But he also reminded me that I do have to prioritize my responsibilities also because I have a life as a 21-year-old. And I said, yes, of course. In 2 weeks, I will be back home. And then the rotation of visits from the different family members will continue as usual. So, ayun, we are just hoping for good news.
so in 2 weeks time when you leave, sino pong papalit?
We're not sure pa, attorney, kasi ayun nga. That's why I heard that he was, kaya medyo, kanina I mentioned that it was an emotional visit because the guard told me that he was waiting all day for us yesterday, and of course I felt really guilty. I mean, yes, it was an honest miscommunication and just the lack of organization with the arrangements namin sa DU, but he understood naman, and he said it's okay, this will not last forever, and I am okay, do not worry about me. So ayun, there has been a lot of miscommunication lang lately, but ayun, naayos na namin ngayon. That's why I was able to visit. And kagaya, nakita nila kanina na late na naman ang konti. So well, I had to explain to him also that my classes was until almost 7 a.m. this morning. So I slept at 7 a.m., woke up at 12 p.m. and then I had to rush here.
Good naman na inaalaw kayo na online, no?
For now, it's online talaga because of the situation and
The rain, no? Yeah. The rain and flooding. Lalo na Taft Avenue. Oh.
Well, bahala na sila. I won't talk about it. But ayun, all I can say that he's good. He's healthy and thankful and happy that he has family who loves him. And ayun, sabi ko, see, you are so blessed with children and grandchildren like this. Kasi tingnan mo ngayon na matanda ka na ganito. Well, kasi it really does speak on his character as a father. Kaya kahit ang tanda niya na, kaming lahat, will drop anything and everything to be here with him.
Okay.
He was happy to do that.
Yes.
So he's
Health-wise,
Tatay
okay.
Digong is okay. I was worried, of course, but he looked okay. Hindi siya mukhang stressed, parati siyang tulog, and ayun, kumakain naman as what I've heard from the prison guards.
Namimiss niya masahe ni Kong Pulong.
Yes, ayun na, sabi ko, sorry ha, hindi ako naka-crash course, hindi ako ganun kagaling, pero sige lang, maybe before I leave, mamasahe ako sa kanya. And so to make up for it, I just sang him a song before I left.
Oh,
And
nice.
ayun, nakasmile
Oh,
siya.
nice.
So,
Oh, nice.
ayun, that's all I can share because of course we want to abide by the rules and regulations by the DU para walang unwanted consequences.
Alam ba ni Tatay Digong na bawal na rin i-share yung mga...
I don't think so, but he did ask if there were people,
Yes.
people here, and I said yes, everyone's waiting for you. It's been 5 months, but everyone's just waiting for you to come home. So there's this never-ending love and support from the people, not just to you, but to all the members of the family. So yeah, he wants to extend his gratitude and how blessed he feels to have you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Kasi yun na nga eh.
Dito mag-ask ng ako, Kitty. Alam ba ni Tatay yung mga events namin dito? This
Yes,
coming
he does
19,
know
20,
of
and
it.
21?
Yes, he knows of it, and I told him na I'm not sure if I will be here for it, but I said that the people are continuing to show up every single time.
I have also a question.
Yes.
May mensahe ba si Kuya Agi sa mga kababayan na patuloy na sumusuporta at pagmamahal sa kanya?
Ayun, sabi niya, he is very grateful, no? He's very blessed to have, yung the people who support and love him and admire him and, look up to his work. That's why he always reminds his children and his grandchildren, no? Trabaho lang kayo. Be honest in your work. Just serve the people with your heart and you'll be fine. Keep up the good Duterte name and and the legacy, and okay na kayo. Just serve the people.
Salamat.
Hindi na po yung bisita na yung Vice Mayor Rico?
Hindi naman kasi we are continuing to appeal pa, no, for it, pero wala pang confirmation eh. So, parang waiting game pa.
But he's still here, si Vice.
Yes, we stay.
He's still here.
Salamat pa pala before dun sa Bible First. Kasi
Yes,
nag-trending
oo.
yung romance sa iyo.
Yun lang yung kabisado ko.
Talagang yun
Oo,
ang
so, ayun.
Nawala na yung ano bang?
Uber.
Ni Uber nila ko. Pagbuok na laglain.
Nawala ang Uber mo?
Umalis na, yan yung dito, sa gilid.
Oh, siya ba yun?
Oo. Picture na lang kaya tayo ito.
Halika, picture tayo.
Picture ito, nalik na. Picture lang ka.
Dali, mag-Uber muna siya ulit.
Nawala, mga matang dire sa gilid ganing ha.
Yun pala yun.
Oo.
Uber. Ay, Uber.
Okay lang. Ilang magpakuan na lang.
Picture.
Dali ka, dali ka. Huwag mo ko kibalo. Pa-picture na lang.
Picture na lang.
Gang, dali ka gang, okay. Landong gang. Pa-picture na lang ka kanan, te.
Favorite movie has always been Fallen.
Fallen ba?
Fallen. It's like a movie, actually my books nun, no? Kasi I like to read. So, by Lauren Kate, and then they made it into a movie. So, basically, parang romance siya, but it was about a fallen angel and the human. So, yun,
That's right.
for the movie. For the color, I can't really say maybe black or red.
O, palagi kang nagpa-black.
Yes. Nakakapayat nga.
True that.
Payat mo kung ka.
Maging mataba.
Dapat pala mag-black ako, no?
Kasi bagay sa akin na may mga vaccine maliit.
Saka maybe this is so early. Makikita ka ba namin sa big screen someday?
Big screen what way?
Yun na, artista.
That's
talaga.
not my thing.
Hindi kasi mga comments lang nila kasi na patanong mo kay Kitty.
I've never really thought of showbiz. I just wanna,
Model na lang. Model noon.
ang model-model pang extra budget na para natin ang allowance.
Allowance, yes.
You know, the reason why nakakalabas ako ng bahay na hindi nagpapaalam is because akin na talaga na pera. So, instead of asking
Naka-proud
permission, I
ka
just
gang,
inform
yes.
my parents, ma, pupunta ako ng ganito. Well, akin naman yung ginagastos.
Sinishare ko kasi palagi mga video ni Dr. Baker.
Yes.
Kasi sinishare ko lang
Wait lang.
palagi.
Yung over niya.
Nanagang?
Okay, magbubuk ako ng ibang na-miss ko na si Doc Baker. Ang tagal na namin yung nagkita. Sabi ko, pagbalik ko,
Ito pala siya.
Gang.
Yung pala pangalan niya talaga, Dr.
Miguel.
Yes, Miguel Baker. I think he's half. No, so, kaya, guwapo si Doc. So,
Half American.
British.
British. Taga Davao.
You know, he is very good with what he does. So, magaan yung kamay. Of course, you don't want someone who's heavy.
Wala si Chito gang. Si Chito, grabe ang pagkapayat mo. Si Chito sa pinang, ano ba? Pagkababaw ko.
Sa
Sinishare
Montana.
ko kasi palagi. Tapos medyo choosy nga lang ako sinasabihan ko kasi ikaw na talaga yung sinishare ko. Actually si si Baste.
Yes. Part na siya ngayon.
Oo, part na pala siya
Ganun
ngayon.
niya sa tatay namin. Actually, no, nagpagawa ako ng lips before. Kasi nagpagawa na ako ng ilong. Sabi ng papa ko, sabi niya, Nak, nagpa-ilong ka naman. Pwede, magtira ka na lang ng nasa akin. Kaya ayun, had it undone yung lips kasi sabi niya, magtira ka naman ng sa akin. Para lang may masaya siya, ganun. Kasi din, the other visit, I think the last visit with Kong Pulong, sabi niya, uy, parang kamukha na tayo. Akala ko, ito yan. Akala niya, ano daw, syempre, kamukha na. Hindi ko na tinuloy yung lips kasi nalulungkot siya pag hindi na kami kamukha. He feels,
Nakakuha ka ba ng Uber ulit?
yes.
How many minutes?
Magpa-shoot
Para
out sa
talagang
Wala
haharangin
na
na natin.
confirm.
Ay, wala pa dyan, di mo na-confirm.
Haharangin natin talaga. Confirm mo na.
Oo.
Pwede ko bang i-share yung street, yung kumakanta ka sa street?
Ay, okay lang.
I-share ko
Sa
lang.
Instagram ang tuloy mo na.
Yes.
Share ko yun.
Ayun, I told PRRD a bit also na, uy, kumanta ako ganito.
What did you sing to him now?
Ayun, yun pa rin. He wanted to hear the song, so I just sang it for him.
Which is what?
Stay by
Stay by your side.
Yeah, ayoko ba? Ang ganda kaya pakinggan. Na lang ako sa kalsada. Ayun.
Narating talaga. Hindi na natin kilala ang Rihanna. Hi. Oh, gusto niyo mag-picture na? Mag-picture na kayo. Sige, napasok na. Sige na. Picture na. Bago dumating ang Uber. Ate Inday.
I don't.
Ay, ate.
Sila muna ha. Amin ang mga camera. Okay.
Hi, Ma'am and Maid. Shout out to you. I just want to thank you for the unwavering love and support. God bless you.
Magpasyagkot ko sa kusuon.
Ika na. Jenny muna. Jenny. 1, 2, 3. Wow, parang maganda ha. Puro magaganda ngayon ng tao ha. Ikaw. Wow, ang gaganda.
Wow.
Kumaling kadagan.
Okay. Sino na?
Mga bagoon na sila.
Sinals ko lang. Ako lang doon.
Okay. Ito. Ito ang camera. Bakit ang laki ng ano mo? Ako, wait. Ayan, photo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Dali, ikaw na. Ayan. Ayan, ha? Ano ba ngayon? Bakit parang lahat ng mga models nandito ngayon, ha? Bakit lahat ng models nandito, ha? 1, 2.
Ba't iba yung video attorney?
Ay, naku, wait. Wait, naninervous ako. Sandali.
Stop.
Oh, paano?
Photo.
1, 2, 3. Okay, next. Sino? Si Marivic. Welcome.
Hi, Kayo Santos. Shout out to you. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagmamahal at pagsuporta. Mabuhay ka. Sana magkita-kita tayo soon and God bless you.
Okay, Marvic, ikaw na.
Wait, tatanungin mo.
Uy, ano siya tinaribig ko?
Shout out siya.
Shout out to John Rick Arnan and John Vic
Giovanni.
Arnan. I just want to bid you happy birthday. Happy birthday to you guys. God bless you. I hope, I pray that you have a wonderful, prosperous, long and successful life. Mabuhay kayo.
Oh, back from the Philippines, Marvic. Back from the Philippines. 1, 2, 3.
Fresh from the Philippines yan. Pilipinyana.
Okay. Kaninong camera to? Sa'yo to.
Hi, Tatay Tito. Happy 76th birthday. God bless you and mabuhay kayo ng matagal na matagal.
Sino ko kang picture?
Ano attorney?
Sino pa mag-picture?
Kaya picture eh.
Ito. Hindi, kapicture muna kami. Ikaw.
Picture ta, kaya wala tayong picture. Uwi na si Kitty.
Wow. Si Miss Universe at si Vander Jenny. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Wala. Sino na? Ito ba? Picture to? Tapos? Nasa ng camera mo dito. Ayun. 1, 2, 3.
Saan mo? Taas?
Dili, ano na ko ba? I-light lang siya.
Ito sa text. I-click na. Ayun na. Ito. Tapos dira. Dira. Ayun na. Bye. Ay.
Picture niya.
1, 2. Okay.
Attorney. May time. Draw picture tayo para may ma-post tayo. Dali na. Hindi na siya pupunta doon. Draw picture na lang.
I mean, I can
Okay.
Pero you can hack ha.
Yung gamay.
Kasi nakita ko yung mga previous videos mo.
sa bulutan, magaling ako.
Lahat ko lang yung pong... Nabasa ko lang dito.
Oh, abi na ko kung dala ni mo.
Come on, everyone, group picture. Sige. Sino magaling mag-selfie? Sige, ako na.
Gang.
Group picture selfie na.
Set. Ready? Lahat ba in? Ready, set, go.
Damihan mo attorney.
Dali.
Sama ka na. Ready, set, go. Sino yung pinaka-last one?
Hindi na ako makita.
Dito ka, Ben.
Kita kayo lahat?
Kita na.
Daganoy!
Anay.
Thank you, Kitty.
Nagdiya ka na ang mga.
Biyakan ang mga pagkaon na dito ba?
Sige.
Video lang ga? Video ba? Wala na tao dito?
Foul.
Ayan, picture. Ayan.
Hindi na tayo.
Alis na tayo, lumabas na yung matanda.
Alam mo, ha? Ayan na lang yung tanda. Doon na tayo. Bilis, pasok na. One last house. Alis na kami. Ayan na lang yung matanda.
Ayan yung matanda, alis na tayo.
Tara na, tara na.
Tayo doon kasi. Ayan na, oh. Tumawag na naman siya.
Tama mo yung nanay. Hindi mo yung nanay. Talaga. Kawawa naman yung nanay.
Muntik na nga ba maiwan sa crapping?
Okay, people, alis na tayo kasi mag-aaral na nanay nandito na. Ay, meron pang mga Pilipino na parating. Sige, alis na kayo para yung mga Pilipino bagong dating. Hindi tayo madami, ha?
Ah, sige po.
Sige, sige.
Okay, para hindi tayo
See you.
marami.
We're going there na rin.
Ay, lubutin!
Ay, babe.
Wala, punta ka din doon? Sino nagsabi mo? Yung nakaka-alive.
Baka mga gusto mo na magkaanak ka. Ay, wala. Picture mga bagong dating. Sige na, din na kayo.
Ano po na si Rubin?
Mga bagong dating.
Hello po.
Oh, hi. Sige na. Picture. Kayo.
Bye.
Uy,
kayo, bago lang.
Ganito ako na ba?
Nagkanang picture lang lang.
Mas maganda yung black. Actually, maganda yung black. Nakita ko sa'yo si Kylie Jenner.
I-vlog mo na sila. Ito po, mga first timers. Sige na, pause po. Oh, dito po kayo isa dito. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, next. Sino pa yung walang picture? Ikaw ka na. Go. Video. Ano? Sige. Ano pa? Sige, ikaw na. Sino pa? Si Miriam.
Ay, Miga.
Hi! Kumusta?
Dali yan, Miga. Kaya na yung Uber.
Facebook or care and I wish you have a good birthday and mabuhay ka. Kasi mabukontak kita tayo.
Attorney, bigyan mo kayo.
Video.
Okay. Video ang gusto mo?
Picture lang.
Picture. Okay. Si Miriam.
Siya pa.
Eh, yung sasabihin niya mag-ipon talaga.
Miriam.
Pinaki-upload sa kung ano, sa na, kat kaya sa.
Be.
Okay. Nice.
Oh,
Okay.
anong gusto mo?
Gang, pa-shout out sa akong mga followers, Mylene Lerios.
Hello. Sorry?
Mylene Lerios.
Hi, Mylene Lerios. Shout out to you and mabuhay ka.
Okay.
Thank you, Gang.
Thank you.
Nanay.
Okay, thank you.
Happy birthday.
Sorry, ano,